Hi, so today I'm going to be talking about cellular respiration and photosynthesis and how it is useful in allowing animals to be able to run away from predators. So, all energy begins with light or the sun. So plants take in this light energy in their chloroplasts in the thylakoid membrane, and they're able to break down carbon dioxide and water and split water and turn it into sugar and oxygen or cellulose. And this cellulose is stored in the plants or the blackberries right here that the deer will eat. So the deer will eat the blackberries, and then that will turn into energy for the deer because we have the sugar and the oxygen turning into ATP over here. So the deer gets its energy from the cellulose, and this occurs in the mitochondria. And the deer is breathing oxygen, and so that also helps in this process. So this allows the deer to have energy so that it can run away from predators like bears or wolves that might try to eat it. And then, so then carbon dioxide and oxygen are eventually released, and then ATP is produced so to give the deer energy. Thank you for watching my video.